Alright, so in the next video it's called Echoic to Math. So one of the biggest mistakes that I've noticed in my career when I'm looking at people how they teach language is the prompt dependency that sometimes you see with clients. What I mean by that is a lot of times clients get used to receiving an echoic, right, some type of verbal imitation prompt. So for instance, if I'm going to have a client request pen, you're going to hear the instructor say something like, say pen, and as soon as the client responds with pen, they immediately provide access to the pen. And that's fine, that's okay initially, but eventually we want to fade that out to a point where the client's going to now be able to respond on their own. So what I mean by that is that I would present the same instructions. So the client is trying to grab it, and I'm going to say pen. The client may say pen back, and then I'm going to wait a few seconds, and then the client says pen on their own. Then I give the client the pen. Now, what I'm trying to do there is try to reduce, once again, the prompt dependency, and that's why the Echoic to Math program is so critical. Pay very close attention of how I'm going to be prompting, because that's what you're going to be doing in the field, especially initially when the client is learning how to request for items. It's very key that you're able to incorporate the whole aspect of transferring the control or the reinforcement to the actual independent response and not to the Echoic, the prompted response. Okay, so that's what you're going to be seeing in the next video.